Now, speaking of the Messi affair, when Messi was in Kolkata, the first leg as far as when it comes to his India visit is concerned, and the consequences that we saw of the chaos and the unruly scenes that was witnessed at the Salt Lake Stadium in West Bengal, action has been initiated. The Trinamool Congress leader and West Bengal Minister Arup Biswas, who is under fire for the chaos at the football icon Messi's visit to Kolkata, has now put down his papers. As Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has accepted Arup Biswas's resignation and will now hold the sports portfolio herself, taking temporary charge. Now, it was the sports minister who wrote a letter to the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and expressed his desire to resign, as she has now accepted his resignation, where the West Bengal government had initiated major administrative action following the mismanagement at the Messi event. Now, on the chaos as far as what happened in Kolkata Salt Lake Stadium, Trinamool Congress MP Abhishek Banerjee has hit out at the BJP, drawing comparisons with the death during Kumbh Mela and New Delhi railway station stampede under the watch of the centre. He says that within an hour of the incident in Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee immediately issued an apology, action was initiated and a committee was set up, and those people who were held accountable as far as saying that why is it the BJP taking so long to initiate action as far as when it comes to the case of Trinamool, immediately action was initiated.
का सरकार के राज में कुंभ में इतना लोग मारे गए, दिल्ली नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन में इतने लोग मारे गए, आप लोग जाके सवाल करते हैं उनसे क्या? योगी आदित्यनाथ से सवाल किया आप? सुकांत मजूमदार से सवाल किए हैं? न्यू दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन में जब स्टैम्पीड में इतने लोग मारे गए थे, आप लोग जाके बीजेपी का कोई भी नेता से मंत्री से सवाल पूछते हैं? मुख्य बंगाल में जो घटना हुआ उसके 1 घंटे के अंदर द चीफ मिनिस्टर हैज अपोलोजाइज्ड. भाई, झुकता वही है जिसमें जान है, अकड़ तो मुर्दों की पहचान है. हम झुके हैं जनता के सामने. जिसके ऊपर आरोप है उस पुलिस ऑफिसर से लेके स्टेडियम का जो मैनेजमेंट का टॉप पोजीशन में है उससे लेके मिनिस्टर से लेके सबके खिलाफ एक्शन लिया जा रहा है. आप कौन सा हक से हम लोग को पूछता है कि सुकांत मजूमदार ने ये कहा है, बीजेपी के ये नेता ने? भाई, उनसे पूछिए ना. गवर्नर ने भी बोला. भाई, काला धन वापस आया क्या? 10 साल हो गया. इसी देश का प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला था ना, 50 दिन में नहीं हुआ तो जिस चौराहे में ले जाके जो सजा देंगे मंजूर है. 5000 दिन हो गया. आपका कोई हिम्मत है सवाल पूछने का? जाके पूछिए उनसे. भाई, आप पूछिए, कोई तो मना नहीं कर रहे. कुंभ में कितना लोग मारे गए, जरा पूछिए. एक माफी भी मांगा. इंक्वायरी कमीशन छोड़ दीजिए, अरेस्ट छोड़ दीजिए, सब छोड़ दीजिए. देश के सामने आके एक माफी तक नहीं मांगा. वो लोग हमसे सवाल पूछेंगे.
Well, let's connect with Shivam, because Shivam was right there on Saturday when the event was taking place and the chaos unfolded at the Salt Lake Stadium. Because Shivam, this bizarre comparison that has now been drawn, will people dying in stampedes would be the benchmark to provide as far as when it comes to safety and security of the people there who are coming out to watch the legend Messi himself? Because either why not take the example of other state governments and how they did the preparations on ground? Messi didn't only visit West Bengal, he was there in Telangana, he was there in Maharashtra, he was there in Delhi as well. How did their respective state governments organize the event so peacefully?
Well, because of such remarks, two things happen from here. First, it becomes a classic case of whataboutery that we often see in politics, that any administration does to hide their drawback. Second, it takes away the seriousness of this entire matter, because it was a private event. People have paid tickets, people have traveled, people have, spent their money to just see their iconic football legend for a minute, and it could have been done quite easily. There were barricading, there were stands, there were different zones, and then the entire fallout happened, where the politicians of Abhishek Banerjee's own party were clinging onto Lionel Messi. And yesterday, he is saying that there has been action done. Yesterday, it is said, now on record, it has been said that Arup Biswas has himself offered a resignation, so there was no accountability asked from him, despite his pictures, surfacing all over the social media, people criticizing him, not just the political parties. Okay. And again, as you rightly mentioned, they conveniently ignored the recent incidents that happened when it comes to the Messi tour in Hyderabad, in Wankhede, or in Delhi.
Yes.
But very conveniently chose
So this
to
seems to be a
highlight a certain
bagar,
topic,
you know,
which is almost a
comparison that
year
has now been drawn on part of incompetence on their own part as far as when it comes to the management is concerned, and what happened to the people there who have been wanting a refund because they spent thousands of their hard-earned money on the tickets just only so that they can get a glimpse of Messi. Pradeep Bhandari is with us right now. Pradeep, the TMC MP is of the opinion that what happened when people died in stampede during Kumbh Mela and the Delhi railway station stampede. According to them, they have done better management because their chief minister immediately apologized and swift action was taken.
Well, this tells you two things. A, that Trinamool Congress hates Prabhu Shri Ram and Hindus so much that on an administrative failure under Mamata Banerjee, they are comparing it to a chance to insult Mahakumbh and the devotees at Mahakumbh. This also tells you one thing, that on one hand they will love Babar and Babri, on the other hand, you will have Trinamool Congress questioning the Prabhu Shri Ram's Mandir, at the same time purposely trying to equate it to Mahakumbh, showing their hate for the Hindus. At the same time, this also tells you that the entire administrative failure, which was appropriated by Mamata Banerjee, has been taken extremely casually by the Trinamool Congress and Abhishek Banerjee. This is why even just 24 hours after the removal of the sports minister, you have Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, who is nothing but the right hand of Mamata Banerjee and of his own family member, justifying the act of lawlessness and administrative failure at the football stadium.
Thank you very much for joining in. Where the BJP is saying that this is the administrative failure on part of the West Bengal government, and instead of taking responsibility, blame game should end. Now let's move on.